Morehead State University combines high-quality academic programs with personalized student success programs for both your college and career success.
Whether you're passionate about Shakespeare or science, we will help support your plan to reach your goals. As an Eagle, you will earn your degree from an institution that has unique programs and a long-standing reputation for academic quality.
MSU has 145 undergraduate degree programs with 23 professional program preparations, which help our graduates get accepted into professional schools, including law and medical, at rates above both state and national averages.
We not only have excellent programs in the creative and performing arts, communications, sciences, and technology that meet the demands of our region, we also offer a career-focused education that gives you the knowledge and preparation that will help you get a job in your chosen field.
MSU has top-ranked programs in nursing, veterinary technology, and graphic design, and we have been ranked as one of the top public universities in the South by U.S. News and World Report.
When you become an Eagle, Morehead State is invested in your success as a student.
MSU provides you with the support and resources you need, including advising, tutoring, career planning, and job placement. These services will help you excel in the classroom and feel confident and prepared when you graduate and enter the job market. The historic Camden McCarroll Library gives you access to online research tools and supports your academic work through the Learning Technology Lab, Tutoring and Learning Center, Instructional Technology Center, and the Research and Help Desk. As a student, you'll have a lifetime resource through MSU's Office of Career Services. Learn vital skills before you enter the job market, like building your resume, dressing professionally, networking, and how to nail your job interview. Career Services also assist you in gaining valuable experience through internships and co-ops or alerts for the job posting that fit your skill set. And how cool is this? Morehead, Kentucky was recognized in Business Insider as one of the 20 best college towns in America to start your career. MSU's campus environment and facilities also make your time outside the classroom exciting and worthwhile. If you like to stay active or just want to engage with others, you'll love our nationally ranked and award-winning Recreation and Wellness Center. The Rec Center, ranked 29th nationally by college consensus, houses 3 basketball courts, 2 racquetball courts, a swimming pool with a whirlpool, and multiple fitness areas with every type of weight and exercise equipment to fit your needs. While the Recreation and Wellness Center is focused on you maintaining and improving your physical health, Morehead State's Counseling and Health Services is the place to go when medical issues arise.
We provide both medical care and services for your mental well-being.
Feel like getting outside? You definitely should at MSU. Between our beautiful campus having Eagle Lake within walking distance or Cavern Lake just a short drive away, there are plenty of opportunities to walk, hike, and bike. You can make the most of your scenic surroundings by utilizing MSU's outdoor adventures, where you can rent paddleboards, hammocks, kayaks, and camping equipment, or sign up for one of the many workshops or organized trips that take place throughout the year. 94% of our students receive some type of scholarship or financial aid. In fact, Morehead State awarded nearly $18 million in scholarships and grants through institutional aid and the MSU Foundation. We have helpful financial aid counselors available to help make this process as stress-free as possible. Your application for admission is all we need for you to apply for institutional scholarships, as well as to research and award additional financial support. Our merit-based scholarship program encourages some of the best and brightest students to become Eagles. MSU also has an expanded scholarship program, and we will help you explore additional opportunities throughout your time here. Morehead State was recently ranked as the 23rd most affordable college or university in the nation by college consensus, the only public university in Kentucky to be listed in the top 100.
We want to provide you with the best environment possible to live, learn, and engage.
The Rocky Atkins Dining Commons, also known as The Rock, is our 25,000 square foot dining facility attached to the East Parking Complex. It is one of our most popular dining destinations due to its numerous made-to-order cooking stations and its wide variety menu options ranging from Asian stir-fry to pasta and comfort food to fresh-baked desserts and ice cream. Our newest residence hall, Andrews Hall, truly fulfills the comfort and needs of today's students. It provides space for 550 students and features suite-style rooms, study and collaboration space, and Wi-Fi connectivity throughout the building. All of our residence halls have free Wi-Fi and free laundry facilities. The warm and inviting atmosphere of MSU makes it easy for Eagle students to connect, participate in organizations, or just hang out for fun. The newly renovated Adrian Dorn University Center, commonly known as ADUC, features improved dining facilities with new options including a sports-themed restaurant, coffee lounge, and popular brands like Chick-fil-A, Steak and Shake, Moe's, Which Wich, and one of the largest Starbucks located on a U.S. college campus. There is also expanded space for student meeting and collaboration, student services, a theater, and a tech lounge.
ADUC is also home to the Cutting Edge Esports Lounge, one of the few of its kind at any university in Kentucky. We offer more than 120 student clubs and organizations, including departmental and sports clubs, performance ensembles, services and honor groups, sororities and fraternities, and religious and social organizations.
Our Campus Activities Board and other student organizations are always working to organize annual events like Family Weekend and our Homecoming Celebration, as well as concerts, comedians, guest speakers, community service opportunities, numerous music, theater and dance productions, and other social events throughout the year.
MSU's commitment to your success starts at enrollment
and continues throughout your life.
We look forward to welcoming you to the Eagle Nation.